Tony's Internet Data Exchange feature is referred to as a framed solution because it lets you embed IDX links into your personal or office website, essentially framing it with your own content. From the public's point of view, they are conducting searches on your website when in fact they are hitting the MLS directly and getting real-time listing information. Adding an IDX search to your website is simply a matter of copying a hyperlink from the MLS and working with your webmaster to find the appropriate area on your website to embed it. To retrieve a link for your personal website, select IDX Public Links from the Admin menu. To retrieve a link for your Office website, select IDX Public Links from the Office Settings section of the Office menu. Under the IDX section, there are several links to choose from, including a property search and an open house search. Each link has a copy and a preview button. Click the preview button to see how the page will display on your website. There are two versions of each link, one with a navigation bar that contains links to other IDX pages and one without the navigation bar. Which one you choose will depend on the design of your website. In this example, the links that open in a new tab are using the version that has a navigation bar, whereas the links that are embedded within the page are using the version without the navigation bar. The Property and Open House Search Criteria page can be customized to only show the fields you wish the public to search on. To make changes, select the IDX Search Setup from the Admin menu. For the Office version, select Office IDX Search Preferences from the Office Settings section of the Office menu. The setup consists of two sets of fields, Available and Selected. The available fields show all of the fields that can be added to your search, and the selected fields are the fields that are currently on the template. Only fields that your MLS deem as public searchable will be available for selection. Fields can be easily removed or added by highlighting the field and clicking on the appropriate Add or Remove button. To select multiple fields at a time, hold down the Control key while clicking on the fields. When adding a field, the system places it at the bottom of the selected list. You can change the placement of the field by using the Move Up and Move Down buttons or by entering a new sort number. When you have made your changes, click the Save button. You can also customize the page colors to best match your website. You can change the color of the page background, the header bar and buttons, and the header and field labels. To change the colors, select IDX Settings from the Admin menu. For the Office version, select IDX Settings from the Office Settings section of the Office menu. Click the color wheel icon for the area you wish to change, then move your mouse up and down the color spectrum and click to select the color you want. Alternatively, if you know the color code, you can simply type it in the field. Click Preview Color to check your color settings. Once you have the colors the way you want them, click on the Save button to save your changes. From the IDX Public Links page, click the Preview button to review your changes. It is a good idea to run a search so you can see how your color changes look on the search results display too. When you are satisfied with the look, copy the hyperlink and add it to your website. By the way, once the links are on your website, you can continue to make changes to the search template and the colors as needed, and they will be reflected on your website as soon as you have saved the changes. You can further enhance your website by adding other IDX links, such as featured properties, saved search links, and agent or office information pages.